The next topic we are going to discuss is objectives and outcomes of this course. There are few objectives of this course. The first objective is to create awareness about the renewable energy sources and technologies. The second one is to provide adequate information on variety of issues in harnessing the renewable energy. Third one is to understand current and possible future roles of renewable energy resources. There are certain outcomes too. The idea is to map this outcome with the objectives. There are 6 objectives. Your end semester question paper, you will get questions which covers all these 6 objectives to test the knowledge of the students. Okay. The outcome one. Outcome one is about the ability to create awareness about renewable energy sources, which can be mapped with objective one. The outcome two, ability to get adequate inputs on variety of issues in harnessing renewable energy sources can be linked to the objective 2. The third one, ability to recognize current and possible future roles of renewable energy sources, is linked with objective number 3. Outcome 4, 5, 6 can be mapped with all the 3 objectives. But the real outcome comes from the heartfelt change in you and me. That has to be measured by the number of students who are actually taking this climate change as a challenge. I call them as agents of climate change. How many students learn, understand, and change their mindset and accept the change? 100% result from this course may not be the real outcome for this course. When a student comes with housewarming invitation for his house, installed with rooftop decentralized solar or wind power, then that can be taken as the real and excellent outcome. If any one student end up in sectors of sustainable development and the technologies related to that, I can take the credit for that. If we inspire someone and you get ourselves in taking care of nature, then that will be the real success and outcome of the course. In unit 1, there are 6 topics. Yes. First, they are introducing fossil fuels. Students may know about this as we have prepared about this in lot. We know a lot of information about this topic. In this course, going to make you understand that the fossil fuel is not going to help you after 50 or 100 years. Even then, its contribution to pollution and climate change is very vast. So that should be an alternative source. The alternative is going to be dealt in second topic. Why we have to shift to renewable energy. By understanding the disadvantages of fossil fuels, we should find renewable sources as an alternative to it. A comparison has to be done there between these two sources. Not that alone, the 4 most important goal is how sustainable design and development is obtained from the renewable sources of energy. What do you mean by sustainable design and development? It is nothing but the development that meet the needs of the present generation without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. This is going to be sustainable design and development. I repeat this, it is nothing but the development that meets the need of present generation without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. For example, if we utilize all the resources of Mother Nature, what will our children and grandchildren do? We have to take this into account. When I mean sustainable, there are many ways for design and development. One of the ways is incorporation of renewable energy resources. Most importantly, we should also discuss about EROI and how it can be used to compare various technologies. What should be the minimum value of EROI for a technology to be sustainable? Then we will discuss about the limitations of renewable energy resources, the types of renewable energy resources. Even though technology is growing, it has its own limitations. This is where the research perspective comes into the picture. How to overcome this limitation? What are the research work is going on right now? And the last topic is in the first unit will be about present scenario of conventional and renewable resources. I will give you an infographical information at the end of this topic. Thank you.